Hi, I'm Shawne Adams. This is my bike check. This is my 2013 Sabrosa Arum with Shadow Ravager plastic pedals, Shadow or Sabrosa bitch and cranks, Shadow half-link chain, tree light sprocket, Shadow Raptor rear hub, Odyssey rear rim, Shadow little ones tags, Shadow Valor 2.4 tire, Seth Kimbrough signature seat, Shadow Ravager top load stem, Shadow Voltage 9.5 bars, Trey Jones signature grits, Sabrosa bar ends, Fit Bico Fit Blade 2 forks, Shadow Valor white wall front tire, Shadow Corvus rim lights to a Shadow Raptor front hub with a Shadow Raptor front hub guard.
Yeah.